I want to edit 126 looking like a better, hotter, and more moisturized version of myself. So today I'm starting my first ever 6-week glow up challenge. Yes, I've committed out loud on the internet, so now I can take it back even if I want to cry. Perfect. First one is hair growth serum because my hairline has seen more trauma than my love life. I'm applying this on my scalp and massaging it gently because scalp massage increases your blood flow and your hair gets the memo to grow and benefits stronger roots, reduced hair fall, and hopefully मुझसे कोई पूछेगा Paul, what's the secret behind your long shiny hair? And I'll say it's all genetics. I don't do much. Next is leave-in cream by Fix My Curls. My hair without it looks like it's buffering. Leave-in cream helps with hydration, frizz control, adds shine, and makes me look like I know what I'm doing in my life. Clearly I don't, but at least my hair does. I apply a very generous amount and massage it into my length, and then I comb my hair to spread the product evenly. After that I gently scrunch it because I have curly hair. If I don't scrunch it, it will get more frizzier. Moving on to facial steaming. Steaming helps open the pores, soften blackheads, and make skin more receptive to products. I steam my face for about 10 minutes, then comes this blackhead remover by Agaro. I do this step very gently, just light pressure and all the gunk is out. I do this step once or twice a month. It deeply cleans my face and I enjoy using it. My skin feels soft and smooth. Next is face masking. I'm using this Foxtail Skin Radiance face mask. This is the part where I pretend everything in my life is under control. Face mask gives hydration, detox, and that मैं clean हूँ energy. I steam my face while applying my face mask for at least 10 minutes. After that, I let it dry for 15 minutes and then wash it off. Also, 15 minutes of silently staring at the wall with the mask on gives me time to rethink all my life choices. Yeah, very therapeutic. Okay girlies, hear me out. Pain is temporary, eyebrows are forever. Eyebrow plucking teaches patience, self-control and the ability to deal with pain like a warrior. And हाँ, डूबते हुए करियर को झेलने की भी strength देगा. I just pluck my extra hair, nothing too crazy. Now it's time for face shaving. People think face shaving is scary, but honestly the real horror is looking at your makeup sitting on top of peach fuzz like it paid for a penthouse. I shave my face every month. Always use a clean and sharp razor. A dull razor is equals to irritation, more tugging and more risk of cuts. And then I apply a thick layer of moisturizer. This reduces friction, prevents cuts and makes the razor glide like butter. Make sure to stretch your skin slightly with your other hand and hold the razor at a 45-degree angle and shave it downwards in short and gentle strokes. Never shave your face aggressively or in upward direction. Now that my face is smoother than my life plans, it's time for the final and honestly my favorite part, hydration. I'm starting with the Hyphen Rice Serum pads. These pads feel so soothing, like my skin is getting a gentle hug after all the drama it went through. They hydrate, brighten and basically tell my skin to calm down. I just swipe 2 pads all over and let it sit for a few seconds so the serum can marinate nicely. Then I seal everything in with the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Emulsion. This is like the final layer that locks in all the moisture and glow. It's lightweight, super hydrating and leaves my skin soft, bouncy and extremely glowy. Honestly, at this point my face looks more nourished than my sleep schedule, and that's the final step of my routine. And then I just apply a Vaseline to hydrate my lips. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, please drop a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.